US dollar tether has been lying to people. They've been fraudulent, but people are still going to use it. It doesn't really come as much of a surprise to people. The markets haven't really reacted to it, but I thought I'd just mention it anyway. So US dollar tether has just very quietly and subtly changed their terms and conditions. US dollar tether may not necessarily be backed at a ratio of 1-to-1 by the US dollar. Now, I'm not surprised, you guys aren't surprised, no one's surprised. I'll leave the info in the link section below so you guys can read it properly. I'm not a legal expert, so please read it yourselves. So it's pretty obvious, it was always obvious that these guys are feeding the Ponzi, right? They're feeding the pyramid, and it's just one massive scam. The markets are just fed up with it, no one really cares anymore anyway. Everyone knows that they're scams. I mean, JP Morgan's JPM coin has the potential to dwarf all the other stable coins combined. Like something like 0.1 or 1% of JP Morgan's value, if it was invested into stable coins, it would wipe the floor with all of them. So it is what it is anyway. So it's not really a big deal anymore. Maybe 2-3 years ago it would have been a big deal, but not anymore. I mean, you can't trust Gemini Exchange's stablecoin either. Don't trust any stablecoin. But why are people holding these stablecoins? Why? The reason why, guys, is because if people sold their crypto back into their fiat currencies like the US dollar, the pound, the euro, they may be liable for taxes. So this could be why people are still using this garbage stablecoin. I would personally say that Bitcoin is the reserve of the cryptocurrency space, the digital asset space. These stablecoins are kind of like a money grab, and it entitles people, a few group of people, to basically print more of these tokens and just slap a value onto it, and then the market buys it or sells it. US dollar tether has been lying to people. They've been fraudulent, but people are still going to use it. People are still going to use it.
If I knew that this was going to be the outcome, like, I would have never done something like this, but you don't know when you're in the moment, and like, it was the most, like, it was so, like, I just felt so stupid.
The JPM coin may actually overtake all these other stable coins in the long run. So let me know what you guys think. If you've got any other additional information, feel free to share it. And I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Take care, guys.